Okay, I got on the ladder, alright. Look at this copper gutter. It's 5-inch K-style copper. And the problem I see is you got hangers every 4 feet or something. That's ridiculous. It's a miracle this thing's still up. You really need closer hangers. They should be 2, 3 at the very most. And you got these fastened right through the roof instead of on the face. Now the reason they did that is because you have a fascia there, a crown molding, and not a vertical fascia. Sorry. You see you got the fascia right here. This is vertical, but then it goes into a crown that curlicues up. So there's no place to hang that gutter. The option is to add a piece of wood to that, triangular piece of wood to that crown that's canted, and put another triangle in so it becomes plumb or vertical, and then you can hang something right on the fascia. And you wouldn't see that. It'd be hidden by the gutter, which is what's going on now. So aesthetically, it wouldn't be a loss because you can't see it anyway with the gutter up. But practically, it'd be a huge gain. And the reason I'm telling you this is because whoever does this roof, when they tear this off, that's the time to make alterations with this fascia to get it right. Because you have the whole roof off at that point. It's not nearly as intrusive or painful to the roof to do it then. Just give you a whole lot better options with drainage and everything else. You got double downspouts down there because you got them going one way. You don't want any water on this end because of all the foot traffic below. So the way to change that is just get a custom downspout that's like, instead of 2 3x4s, you get you know, a 6x8 or something made up in the shop, and that'll carry the same amount for you. It's not that hard to do stuff like that. You got your service coming in there, so you really want to make sure that those spouts are secure and they don't start banging into that service that's coming in there. It'll light that gutter up, or spout up, light the gutter up, and light the roof up. If it's dry enough, you'll have a fire. This little porch roof is a different exposure. Looks like it's 5-inch exposure, and it's closer exposure because it's a shallower pitch. You can see the edge of it. It's really a 5-ply almost. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-ply roof. If you look at the edge of the roof, you can see it. There's 5 layers at each butt edge. And up here there's 4. 7.5-inch exposure and 5-inch exposure down here.